Hi everybody, and a very warm welcome to Susannah's Kitchen, wishing you a very Merry Christmas. And thank you for choosing to click on this video. So we make everything in the Ninja Foodi here, and Christmas is no exception. Of course, I don't expect you to be making a whole Christmas dinner for like 10 people using just one Ninja Foodi, but these recipes aren't just for Christmas Day. These recipes are for the full festive season. So I've got you covered with everything from party nibbles, starters, main courses, desserts, drinks. I've got the full works going on this December, so I really hope you enjoy these videos. Don't forget to give me a like below and subscribe to my channel as well. So today's recipe is an exclusive cookbook recipe. I've got a brand new Christmas cookbook that I have just released over on my website, which is www.susannahskitchen.uk. So go over there and grab yourself a copy. Now you don't need to worry about saving this video for today's recipe because there'll be a QR code in the cookbook which will link back if you do want to watch the recipe video again. And all my recipes are super achievable and of course really delicious. So I hope you enjoyed today's Ninja Foodi recipe. Let's go and start cooking. So I'm making the most delicious pork belly bites, which are absolutely perfect to serve at Christmas. Great for little canapes. If you want it as a starter, it works really well. But if you've just got people around for drinks and nibbles, this is brilliant. And the nice thing is it's really easy. We're going to put these onto steam roast and we're going to make a lovely sauce as well to go with them. So I bought these in long strips. You can get these in the supermarkets or from your butchers, and I've cut them into chunks that are a bit more bite-sized. Now it's really up to you what you coat them with. I'm going to go with some black pepper. So let's crack that all over. Going to use some ground coriander, and then you can choose to use some fresh herbs, but I tend to find that these dried herbs that you can just get stick quite well, and it's just easier. You don't always have some fresh herbs to hand. There you go, get that all over. That way we've got a little bit of flavouring on them. As I said, we're going to make a sauce. Because we're going to cook these on steam roast, we need water in the bottom here. This recipe is exclusive, by the way, to my Christmas cookbook. So for all the timings, go over to my website and grab yourself a copy of that. And you know exactly what you're doing for this recipe. These would be ideal for New Year's Eve as well. So I'm going to pop them all into the air fryer basket. So really you can make as many as you can fit inside here. Basket is getting very, very full, so I'm just maneuvering them slightly just to see if I can get everything in. With 2 more to go. Looks like they are just about going to fit in there. Look at that. Perfect. Now we can put the pot straight into the Ninja. Let's get the lid down and let's get onto steam roast. The pork belly is steam roasting, which is brilliant. So now we're going to make a beautiful sauce, which is just going to be absolutely gorgeous. And we're going to put that on to sear and saute afterwards. So let's start off with our orange here. Oh, nice and juicy. We need to squeeze some orange. All the quantities for everything will be in my cookbook for you. You can get a copy of that on my website, which is www.susannahskitchen.uk. So now we're moving on to our ginger. I'm going to add in my star anise. Also going to measure in my soy sauce. And just to balance the flavours, some sugar in there as well. Give that a nice mix. That will start infusing. But when we heat that, that's going to be absolutely incredible. And it's going to reduce down and be a beautiful sauce. Last few seconds of cooking time and we'll be able to see the result of these pork belly bites. Oh my goodness. They look absolutely incredible. So using the same pot, it's nice and warm in there. I've just discarded anything that was left over, a little bit of fat and water that was in there. And now we can pour in our sauce and then just have that on sear and saute, and let's reduce that down and make a gorgeous sticky glaze for our pork. Here are my gorgeous pork belly bites. Look at those. They are so tender, but they've got that beautiful crispy fat on them, which we all really, really enjoy. These taste so incredible. Perfect for the festive season, Christmas, New Year's, just having friends around for drinks, whatever you're doing, you're going to really enjoy these. And that dip is absolutely beautiful to go with them.